Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a door hinge cable on your dishwasher, you will need to fully uninstall the appliance. Before you attempt this, be sure to turn off the power to the dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Using a 1/4-inch socket or a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the lower access panels. Set the panels aside. Use channel lock pliers to unthread the water supply line elbow fitting from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, use a 1/4-inch socket or a T20 Torx bit to unthread the screw to release the junction box cover. Note the orientation of the power wires, then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Unthread the strain relief nut and detach the strain relief and power wires from the junction box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Unthread the mounting screws, securing the dishwasher to the countertop, cabinet, or floor. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Now gently pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Detach the appropriate door spring from the frame and unhook it from the hinge cable. If still intact, unhook the opposite end of the old hinge cable from the hinge. Install the new door hinge cable by hooking the appropriate end onto the hinge. Loop the cable around the friction block and attach the opposite end to the door spring. Then hook the spring into the upper hole on the frame. Confirm that the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Rethread the screws to secure the appliance to the countertop, cabinet, or floor. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wires and strain relief in the junction box. Then thread and tighten the strain relief nut. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Join the black wires together and the white wires together and secure them with the wire nuts. With the wires positioned inside the junction box, realign the cover and rethread the screw to secure. Reconnect the water supply line fitting to the inlet valve. Realign the two access panels. Secure them with the two mounting screws. Turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.